Gocta Waterfall is known locally as La Chorrera, the spout, and lies in the Amazonas region of Peru. It drops over 2 stages, a total of 771 metres, and is now considered the 3rd highest waterfall in the world. It was brought to worldwide attention by German researcher Stefan Ziemendorff in 2006. The falls had been overlooked partly due to their remoteness, but there was another reason why they took so long to get noticed. Locals had always known of the fall's existence, but had kept it a secret because they feared myths and legends concerning a blonde-haired woman, a siren, and her snake that guarded the waterfall. Once the discovery made headlines, authorities, local people and the private sector saw an opportunity to strengthen and expand tourism in the Amazonas region, adding another attraction to Quelap as the main drawcards in northeastern Peru.
Pero en turismo, qué diversión, donde usted vaya, buena atención, lindos lugares, ricas comidas, otros manjares.